Hi folks, we're going to make some chutney. There we go. We got a load of chili peppers chopped up in the vinegar. There's some basil. This is just chutney. We don't know what sort of chutney you'd call it. It's chutney. Chop the peppers up. Everything got to be chopped up quite fine. Make sure you get nice fresh produce to put in it. We've got a bunch of tomatoes there, some onions from the garden, a few apples, you can see in there, a cucumber, a marrow, that's about it. Oh, a bit of garlic. I'm sure we can find something else to throw in there. Right, I'm going to chop it all up. I'm not going to bore you to death with watching every bit of that. So we'll just do an onion, go with the pepper, and then we'll move forward. Don't cut your fingers, don't make the chutney taste any better. You're supposed to have some dried fruit in chutney. Yeah, of course you are. I'll find some of that in a bit. Boy, tomatoes chop up nice and little. Bit tedious, but there you go. Got onions strong to make my eyes water. Right, well, come back to that. Come back to you in a minute. I'm going to chop all this lot up. There it is, all chopped up. Look at that, lovely. I don't know what the quantities are. It was just a bunch of tomatoes, I should think. Probably a third of it's onion, apples, bit of cucumber. The cucumber was a bit bitter, so I didn't put too much in. Oh, I'm going to put some plums in there. Am I still going to put plums in there? I picked a little bag of plums this morning, pinched them off a neighbour. Look at them. Don't know really. No, perhaps I'm going to save those, do them separately. Sarah been making cakes. Look at that. Oh. She'll cut my fingers off if she sees me. She got some more in the oven. Alright, hubble bubble, toil and trouble. Just added about a pound of sugar to it. A little bit more vinegar. There you go. Look at that. Just let that simmer away for a bit with the lid off. And it starts to go a nice dark colour. And while we're waiting for that to cook, I put some little Mirabelle plums in jars, took the stones out. And now they're in the water, just, I don't know what you call it. Sterilising, I think, in French. Let them bubble away for half an hour. And put those in the cupboard for winter. And here comes the chutney. Ha ha, look at that. Lovely. I've eaten half that jar already. No, not really. That was just a bit left over. Would you like some, Sarah?
Got some, thank you.
I know. Don't forget to give it the thumbs up and subscribe. And this is climbing spinach, red spinach. Thought it was horrible, but actually it's very nice. Okay, see you all later. Thanks ever so much. Thumbs up, subscribe, see all the rest of it. Cheers for now. Bye bye.